Today's video is going to be a little different and a little more raw and a little more real. I'm not going to give advice. I'm not teaching growth hacks. I'm just sharing something that's been weighing heavily on me. And honestly, I think a lot of creators go through this, but nobody seems to be talking about it enough. I've been feeling a little odd, a little weird, a little just, let's say, yucky for the best part of the week. And today I wanted to tell you why, what I've learned, and how I'm pivoting. If you're starting over in life, building something from scratch, or just feeling a little lost in the middle, this video is for you. So here's the truth. I've been posting consistently, motivational videos, self-help topics, testing different formats. I've been doing what the gurus say to do, but something's just feeling off. I realized I'm trying to teach people how to grow a YouTube channel when I haven't grown a channel yet myself. And you know that. I haven't kept it a secret. But I feel like I was borrowing authority and I haven't earned that. And that disconnect, it's what's making me feel a little weird and a little off and a little yucky. Like I was pushing content that wasn't truly mine. And here's the part I want to be really, really honest about. I was following strategies, and I'm still following strategies that didn't feel authentic to me. Not because they don't work, but because it's not a part of me. It doesn't feel second nature to me yet. Like I say, when we do something over and over again, it feels second nature. And this doesn't yet. So the energy, the hype, the copycat formulas, I don't know, it's just not who I am. I'm more grounded. I value calm. I value clarity over the flash and the big things. And I think trying to perform is costing me my voice. So here's what I've learned. When you're building something new, especially in midlife, it's really tempting to skip ahead because we feel like we don't have time. We want to be the expert instead of the student. But I'm in the learning phase. I'm reading books, I'm taking courses, I'm watching other creators. I'm trying to understand the rules so I can one day break them in my own way. Because I don't follow rules very well. But right now, I'm learning the ropes. And I have to follow the rules because that's what it's all about. That's how you learn. You have to follow the rules before you could break the rules. All the advice about modeling big creators feels like I'm putting on a costume that doesn't fit. It's like wearing shoes that are 2 sizes too big and you're trying to run a race. You just trip over yourself. And one of the reasons why I think that I look at my videos and they're not getting a lot of views, I feel it's not even my voice. Sometimes I feel fake, but I'm trying to do so much better. So this week, I'm trying something different. I sat down, I turned on the camera, and just spoke from the heart. No script, just a few bullet points because, I forget things that I want to say, but not too much overthinking. So just me for today. And you know what? It's flowing a little better. It feels a little bit more like me. I don't feel like I'm acting. I feel like me. Even my voice sounds different because when I'm trying to act, I put on this voice that you know how you get your telephone voice or your professional voice? That's what I feel like. And today I'm feeling like me, like this is my voice. Today is when I realized I don't need to be 10 steps ahead of my viewers to give you good value. I just need to be a few steps ahead and to be honest about where I'm at and to help the ones that are those few steps behind me. I'm not here to be a guru. I'm here to be a guide, to walk the path alongside people who are also starting over. Maybe you're retired. Maybe you just lost your job. Maybe you're in your 50s or 60s or even older. And thinking, is it too late for me to try something new? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not too late. You're just in time, and you don't have to have it all figured out to start. We can start from step 1 and keep moving forward. It's about getting to the first step and not climbing the whole staircase at once. It's a new learning experience. It's fun. It's challenging. It's exciting. It's our next chapter. That's why this is chapter 2, because it's going to be great. And just like everything else we start in life, it's not easy, but we did it. We got over that hurdle, and guess what? We made it all worthwhile, didn't we? So let's get real. Here's where I am today. I've been posting consistently. I've only had a few subscribers, and I thank you for that very, very, very much from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. My views are still pretty low, but you know what? That's okay. Let's break it down. Monetization on YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Currently, I have about 100 watch hours. That's just about 2.5% of the way there. But guess what? That's okay, because I'm in this for the long haul. I'm not going to quit just because there are hurdles to get over. And I'm not going to quit just because I'm not an overnight success. And that's okay. Part of the fun is the journey, the learning. What would be the thrill if I had posted 5 videos and I had blown up? What would I have learned? Nothing. What would be the anticipation or the climax when you get those 1,000 subscribers or your video does blow up? It wouldn't be as exciting. I'm not trying to go viral, at least not yet, because you never know. But I am trying to grow steady and consistent. And I'm trying to build something real. And I will share all my numbers, my trials, my wins, and my challenges as they come. I want you to grow with me. I want to give you the inspiration to do what I'm doing, so you can have this feeling of accomplishment that I really truly have. Even though it has been a difficult week, my numbers are not there. It's okay, because I find that I wake up excited in the morning to do something fun and enjoyable and something challenging that I'm really, really starting to love. It's so worth it, and it's giving me hope, it's giving me strength, and it's giving me inspiration and something to be looking forward to in the future. So what's next? I'm going to start experimenting with YouTube Shorts. I'm going to try to start posting shorts. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but I'll try it. I'll keep posting long form videos just like this one, and I'll share my real-time growth, lessons and tools that actually feel good to use and that I'm starting to learn. By the way, talk about tools. How does this video look? Let me know in the comments below. I'm filming this from my laptop today and not my phone on a new editing software called Descript. It's not new, but it's new for me. They're not sponsoring this video. They don't even know I'm talking about them. But I love it. I can edit the videos like I edit a work document. It transcribes the video that you uploaded from your phone, or now I'm going to do that from the software itself or anywhere else that you upload it from. And I can edit the text, and it deletes the whole scene. So it also automatically removes all your filler words like when you blunder, don't know what to say, etc. And I can also film directly in the software like I'm doing now. It has so many features that I don't know, but I do have a link in the description below if you would like to check it out. So, and most importantly, I'm going to focus on topics that I've actually lived. So that means my YouTube journey, mindset reinvention after 50, 60, whatever, emotional growth, and starting over from zero. And I'm just so excited about that. And I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and come with me on this journey so we can grow together, so we can teach each other, and we could get over the challenges and the hurdles together and celebrate the wins. If you're still watching, thank you so much for watching this. Thank you for supporting me. It means so much to me on this journey. I so appreciate it. And thank you. You are exactly the kind of person that I want to build this community with. It's going to be an awesome community because we will be there for each other. Because I know it in my heart. I feel it in my bones that this is going to be successful, and I'm going to meet so many wonderful people along the way. We're going through our chapter 2 together. And that means a lot because this isn't the end of our life. This is the beginning of our new chapter. And this chapter is a lot more exciting, I think, than the first one was, because we have the time for us, where we can be us, and we don't have to be someone's mother or someone's wife or someone's daughter or son. We could just be us. And if you want to know why this is the best time for us, watch this video right here where I explain why turning 60 was the best thing that ever happened to me. So we don't need any flashy graphics or fake energy. We just need true progress and people who care. So if that's you, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment. That would help me so much. I would appreciate it. And let's do this together. Thanks for being here. Until next time, be the best you could be fearless, and I will see you in the next video.